Good job, Justin. Paddle faster. Faster. Pedal to daddy faster. Daddy. Fast. Fast, Justin. Watch where you going. Watch where you going. Watch where you going. Be careful. You're pedaling. Watch where you going. Look where you going. Look at daddy. I see. You see daddy's truck? Come on, watch where you going. No, look at where you going. Look at where you going. Look where you going. Look straight. Gotta look where you going. Yeah. Good job. It's Justin's first day riding his bike by himself. Good job. Today is September 1st. Justin ride his bike by himself. Look. Say thumbs up, everybody. Show everybody thumbs up. Show them the thumbs up. Thumbs up. We did it. We rode our bike. Justin rode his bike. Justin, hold on, stop. Stop. Look. Say, I did it.
I did.
Say, I rode my bike.
Bike.
Say, a long way.
A long way.
Look at the camera. Say, a long way.
A long way.
Show them from way back there. Say, from way back here. Way back up there. Granny up there, you rode the bike past Granny?
Yes.
Good job. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Say, I'll teach y'all how to do it next time. Look at the camera. Say, next time, guys.
Next time, guys.
See you later.
See you later.